Hi, I'm Jason with bathbombmachine.com, and today we're going to show you an unboxing video of what you get when you order a B-3 from us. Let's go. Okay, so you get your box in the mail, unloads from the top. Let's cut open the tape, and I'm going to kind of walk you through how the packaging is laid out. So we've got a few different compartments in here. We've got our spare parts bag, which we'll go over later. Down here is our B-3 bath bomb business guide, and your packing slip will also be tucked in here. This is our extraction tool. We'll go over that. Take out a little bit of packing here, and we've got a couple of molds down there. So I'll grab those out real quick. Put these to the side. And then we'll pull the machine out. So what I do is hold the box kind of on a corner like this, grab the air cylinder here, and just lift straight out. Okay, so once you have your B-3 out of the main box, there's still some more packing to remove. So these cardboard pieces come off front and back. We'll set those aside. And then there's these foam pieces that fit on each side of the frame. So you kind of tilt the machine up, that slides off, and same thing on this side. But I want to point out, depending on what molds you order, that we can tuck some small molds in these little corner pockets. So like these are 1.6-inch sphere molds. So when you're taking the packaging out, check here because you might have some molds tucked in. You don't want to miss out on those. The extraction post is for getting your bath bomb out with your mold. I'll have to open one of these up to show it. The spare parts bag, we figure if you're in the next state or around the world and you ever have an issue, it's just nice to have a few extra parts. Plus there's an Allen wrench in here that you use to change out the mold, some extra tubing, different fasteners, and a couple of fittings. We hope you never use this, but if you do, you'll be glad you have it. So that comes with it. Business guide, let's take a look at this. This has grown over the years. We're up to 30 pages of information here. So it's a combination of instructions for this. There's a couple of recipes for bath bombs, and there's business suggestions, there's marketing ideas, there's supplier and packaging information, and there's also bath bomb troubleshooting tips. So that's all in here. Let's open one of these molds that were packed with this cardboard and saran wrap. Okay, so in here is a mold. This is a star mold. Got a little padding in here to keep things from moving around. So this is a 4-piece mold. You've got the lower insert. You'd add your mix, plop that on, and then this part actually attaches to the machine and goes up and down and compresses. But once your bath bomb is made, this extraction tool lifts it so you can grab it, set it on your tray to dry. So that's how that works. We've got 2 more molds here, and that's what to expect when you open up your B-3 package from us at bathbombmachine.com. Thank you. Okay, this is our website at bathbombmachine.com. This is our homepage. And as you scroll down here, there's lots of good information about our equipment, lots of little features you can click on to learn more. There's testimonials from several companies down here. But what I want to show you is how to get to our store. So if you click on the word shop, you can look at just categories of bath bomb machines or categories of molds. But if you actually click on the word shop here, it will pull up our entire catalog. So all of our products are listed here. And there's the B-3, the B-3 business package, and the B-49 here, and then molds that will work with these as you scroll down the page. And we have a lot of molds, and it's increasing all the time. So you can click on any of the photos here or the view details box, and it will pull up a page dedicated to that product, and you can have a lot more information to learn about our equipment. So this is our B-3 page. You'll see there's a lot of videos here to watch. We have reviews that you can click on this link here, and it'll take you to reviews down below. And there's also a dedicated reviews page here with lots of stories we've collected over the years and different companies we've worked with. To get back to our home page, you just click on our logo here, and that takes you back to bathbombmachine.com. Thanks.